Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video, we will make the player in our project jump. If you didn't saw the last part, the video is linked in the description. Okay, but now let's start with the video. And guys, don't forget to write the script like I show in the video. Okay, now we will double click the script and open it. Okay, if you are now in the editor, we will start coding. Under public float speed, you will write public jump force equals 5 FRU. Okay, now we have the jump force. Let's continue. Okay, the next step is simple. It's the same line than in the last tutorial. If you didn't watch it, click here to watch it. Just simply write, if input get key code space. The input get key is for checking if the button is clicked, and the if is for if something happens. Here's an example. You want to make your player jump, like in this tutorial, then you need an if, because if you click space, you want something to happen. Okay, but let's continue now. The next step is simple too. It a bit like last time, just a bit different. Okay, just write RB velocity equals new vector 2, RB velocity x, jump force. This script is simple too. The RB is the rigid body and we want to jump, so we need X. The jump force stands there because the script will not work because it doesn't know a jump force then. Okay, and that was the script now. Let's test it. Okay, you see the script work, and now we can move and jump in our game. But we can jump how many times we want. We will fix that in another video. If you want another part, let me know in the comments. You can click the like and subscribe button if you want, so you don't miss any videos. But for now, have a great day. Bye.